Hi everyone, it's Robin from Bernina Taringa. I'm going to run through threading of the Bernina L460, and I'm just going to use the colours that go with the loopers and the needles to make it nice and easy for you. So first off, when you open up the machine, it tells you what numbers you should do your machine in order, and this is pretty much for all overlockers. So your top looper is your blue looper and it gets threaded first. So on this machine, you just click your thread in here. If you get your wonderful Bernina tweezers out, you can use them. Makes it easier. So you just go blue, blue, blue under the hook there. There's another little one here, a little hook that's blue, and this one is your top looper. If you move your hand wheel at the side, you can see your looper moving, and you can thread your thread front to back. Use your scissors to cut your thread. Oops. On an angle, and then these wonderful tweezers, and you just thread it through like that. Okay, so that's your blue looper threaded. Make sure it's not caught anywhere, and I just pop it under the foot. Now I'm going to do the red thread, which is my lower looper, and it just goes, clicks in there. You can hear the click. My foot's up, by the way. If the foot was down, my tensions would be closed and I couldn't get my thread through here. So my foot is up, so my tensions are open. So red, 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 and red. Now this one here, you click it into here. You've got this wonderful little tool here. So you push your arm down and you can see a red dot. And you just slip your thread in behind there, like that, just in a little loop, and then you flick that back. Okay, now you're going to thread it through that lower looper, which you can, which you can see there. Cut your thread on an angle to make it a nice sharp point, and thread it through the lower looper, just like that. Pull it, make sure it's not caught anywhere, and put it under your foot. Now those are your two loopers all finished. You can close your door. Now we're going on to the green looper, so the green needle, beg your pardon. So there, come across here, it just slides there, goes under, goes up to the green, goes around, and in behind there's a little place to put your thread, in behind the bar, and this one is my right needle. Cut it on an angle, oops, cut it on an angle, and thread it front to back. Okay, tweezers are your best friend when you are threading. And my yellow, click, down, around, around, right up to my yellow, down into the space there, behind the bar, and front to back. And that is how you thread your L460.